So now let's move to the next part, that is the abstract portion of this paper. For that, just search for the begin abstract and end abstract. So here is some part or some text written here. So I have a paper, I'm just copying text from that particular paper. So just copy this abstract part and simply you have to paste here and just click recompile. So now you can see abstract is completely ready. Okay. Now next step is writing the sections. Sections means like if your paper have introduction, like literature review or methodology, and last not least, that is the conclusion. So for that, what we have to use, we have to write sections. So just search for sections, and also you can insert as many sections as you want in your paper. So here is the first section, that is introduction. So let me just copy the content of introduction from here. Also you can change headings also, like here you can see in the section introduction has been written, so I just want to write introduction to data mining. Now next I want to just select this content and simply need to paste in this particular part and just click on recompile. After making any changes to this part, you need to recompile this so that you will be able to get changes in this particular part. So here you can see it. So here is the introduction part. Okay, so here you can see I'll just only copy the content. It will automatically adjust the content and the formatting as well. Now next, suppose you want as many sections, like we have another section here, that is ease of use. Here you can see the second part is showing. Suppose you want another section, that is, I'm just writing section and this curly braces and try to name the name of the particular section, that is, suppose I am writing methodology. Okay, so by this way another section will be created. So you can see ease of use, and the third one is the methodology. Okay, so for subsections, like you want a part in this particular section, for that you need to insert subsection. So here is the subsection part. Suppose you want subsection in this ease of use also. So I'm writing subsection and the name, suppose writing name only. Okay, suppose another subsection you want, so you write subsection and just write name one. Okay, just click on recompile. Now you will be able to see the different section, subsection and subsections. So now let me just increase the size. So you can see here ease of use, it is the section, then subsection is name, and subsection is name one. Sorry, by mistake it is written wrong, but you can see how. So by this way you can add as many sections as you want, or any subsections, any subsections you can add. So the important section of our paper is one is the conclusion part. So for that, what you have to do, just you have to write section and in curly braces the conclusion. So that means same way you can add conclusion part. So for now you can see how our paper is looking like. You can see very nice, neat and clean spacing, and everything is adjusted by itself. So here is the sections, subsections, and you can see the formatting as well.